Hi, in this video I work with the activity number 4, letter B, exercise number 2. Then say that is my function, and in this problem we have tricky because in the function say we have a little d, but it's only a distractor the teacher put in that exercise, so I ignore the letter d. First of all, I change the negative or the not are in all the function, and then I put the function like if I don't have the not. Then for this function, I use the theorem 8 with a plus b plus c, and this is the result: a negative b, a negative and b negative, b normal and c negative. Then with the new function, this one, I use the theorem 6, like say with this one and this one, and my answer is a negative and c negative. And you put the letters or values for the function the same way. Then in this function I see, because I think all the classroom have algebra, so I see is a factor is a little negative is in the all the letter, so I go out the letter a negative. I have a little mistake here. I need to put back the letter negative. Then it's only mistake here, but is you really know now is negative. Then we use the postulate 6 with c and c, and then we have letter a negative and b negative and b negative and c. Then we use the theorem 5 with letter b negative plus b negative c, and the way to put that is, and the answer is letter a negative and b plus c. Then for find another function, we only have this function, but we need to change this negative for the other function. We have this one, but in the postulate says, in the theorem says, if you have something like letter a plus negative plus b negative, so is like all these are negative and then are negative, we put that a and b and c in like one value, but this is the problem right now. So for this function we have the new ones. We use the theorem 8 with this one, like I say, but here is letter a b c negative, so then we have this one is the same like this, only to use the theorem 8. But in this one we don't change this the negative of the all the function the we start, so you need to remember that. Then we use the theorem 7, and for this and this, then we have the a plus b. Then we have this, and then we use the theorem 1. We use the theorem 1 in this function new that says a is this one, a plus c is equal to a plus c. Then in this new function we use the theorem 1 with this and this one values. Then we have the theorem 7, s plus c, a plus b, a negative plus b negative plus c negative. Then we use the theorem 1 to this one and this one about these values. So this one and this one are this one for the theorem 1 say. Then a plus b plus c, and this is when you use the not we have this one, but only in this value, because we changed that with theorem 8, but we don't consider it the not in the function. But in this one we have the not in all this function, only in this one. So in we put that we change that to transform this. Then we have a plus b plus c plus c. This one we have another factor, this one, and this one. But in this case we keep up the letter a negative, so letter a negative and a is equal to 0, so this value and this value are zeros, 0 and 0. Then for this one you only need to do the letter a negative and c and letter a negative and b. Thank you very much.